Hi everyone, today I'll be discussing about promotions and how do you use that tool on Instagram and how do you adjust the bar so that you don't lose your money also and you get followers also. So the optimal use of promotions on Instagram, so I'll be discussing that today. I get messages saying that they have used the promotion tool but they have not got any followers. So I know where the mistake is because I have spoken to them individually and I have asked them that what adjustment they did while choosing the price and while choosing the days. So the fault lies there, and this is very tricky, and I have tried all the variations and I'll tell you which one works the best. So just watch the video till end and you will definitely get benefit from this video. So first and foremost thing which you have to do is, for the beginners account who don't have much idea about it, you have to change your normal looking account into business mode or creators mode. So how you do that, I'll just show you right now. Just go on doing what all I'm telling. To avail this promotion feature on your account, you have to change your account to creators mode or business mode. So for that, you go on this top three lines, then settings, then accounts, and then scroll down. You can see here switch to personal account, switch to business account, because right now my account is creators account, so I'm getting these two options. But if you have not chosen any of these two and it is your personal account, so you have to choose either business account or creators account. Then only you will be able to see all these features of insights and promotions and individual posts, insights. See, this is my today's post, so it is done like good so far. Also make sure that while you are promoting any of your post, during that duration your graph of impressions and reach increases because of the promotion. So during that period, make sure you are posting good quality of content daily, because that is going to add up in the reach and impressions, and that is further going to boost up your account. So never miss this opportunity of posting daily and posting really nice content while your promotion is going on. That is going to double up the benefit. Now, which post to select for promotion? For that, you have to check out the post which had got maximum likes, maximum comments, and it is your highest, most favorite post on your page. So it's feasible if you select that same post, the probability of it's getting successful is much more while you promoting that post. So always be very selective while you choose a post for promotion. If you think your video is really loved by people, so you can choose a video also for promotion. So the more number of views, the more number of people are attracted to it, you have more chances of getting followers. So always think wise before selecting a post, because you're going to waste money on it, and if you don't get anything in return, it's quite disappointing. So be very specific with what post you are choosing. You can also DM me and ask my help. I can help you to choose your post. Okay, now what new people generally, they feel that they don't want to spend a lot for the post, yet they want to promote their post. So they're quite dicey in their mind whether they should opt for promotion or not. So with much heavy heart, they just choose to promote for a day and then they don't see any results and they're disappointed. What I have experienced with my post is that I have always opted for 3 to 4 days minimum promotion, and the graph of followings goes like this. It goes like this. First 2 days you hardly see any followers, you just get likes. Even the third day you start seeing some amount of followers, but the last 4 or 5th or 6th days, as the promotion progresses, your following starts coming in bundle. Okay, so I'll teach you how to select a post which you want to promote. So always go for the post which had the maximum engagement, likes and comments. So you have to be careful while choosing a post. You cannot just promote any random post. So I'll choose this one, It has some 5,000 likes and good amount of comments. So I'll click on this promote option and see, you can see three options: your profile, your website, your direct messages. So when you will click your profile, then the entire traffic will be driven to your profile, to your Instagram page. If you click your website, here you can give your website's link, or suppose my YouTube link is visible here. So if there is any business page or any blog which has a website, so they can drive all the traffic to their website as well. And the last one is your direct messages. So whosoever wants the traffic to their DMs, they can select this option. Okay, so I want all the traffic to my profile, so I'll do your profile. Then next, then there is this option, define your audience, automatic and create your own. So by automatic, Instagram, you let Instagram choose independently where all it wants to send your post randomly. But if you are into any specific business or specific blog, then you can, select your target audience. See, audience name, you can just put anything. Then locations, you can put like India, New Delhi. You want to be as specific, as niche as you want, that you can select here. Then interests, so you can put all the options, what all interests, like fashion, blogging, editing, baby products, apparel, clothing. So there are different food, different kind of options. Then there is this age also, so you can select age, gender also. So basically this is going to streamline your audience, exactly, just put on the exact kind of audience which your business is specific about. So I think I'll go with automatic, so that Instagram itself promotes where all it wants to. Then next, okay, this is very tricky, people. Now comes the very important part, that is budgeting. So you can see there are two bars here. One is for budget, and it starts from 80 and goes till 40,000 daily. Then there is duration, that starts from 1 day and goes till 30 days, like for a month. So the proper combination is what is lacking for a beginner, because they don't know, they have just started and they don't want to spend money, and they feel like let me try it once for a day or two, let me see how it works. So they will try for 1 day or 2 days and they won't see any difference, and then they are disheartened. So here is the catch: always choose okay, you can choose the budget, like it can start from 80 rupees also, but duration you have to be always keep in mind that minimum should be 3 days. Don't choose below 3 days, otherwise it is going to be a flop. Always choose above 3 days, because it takes minimum 3 to 4 days to reach that threshold, beyond which you will start getting a lot of followers. So what I do mostly, I choose rupees 80 and I choose it for 10 days. Then I have the maximum and good amount of results with this combination. And you can choose for 7 days as well, or maybe 120, and you can choose for like 3 to 4 days, or so always good, like your promotion will go till 10 days also, and it is going to add to your graphs as well. And amount spent daily is 80 rupees, which is the least. So for me this works the best. One can choose for 30 days as well, so depends on the person what amount of money they want to invest in this. So this is a good way people to get a lot of exposure in the beginning, other than looping, because this gives you kind of immediate approach to random people. Okay, so I have chosen 80 and for 10 days. Then I'll do next. Okay, you can see they have added a tax of rupees 144. So my total amount is 944 rupees. I'll click on create promotion and then pending approval. You can see here and then I get a message also, your promotion is in review. By review, what Instagram means to say that it is going to cross-check your post for its community guidelines, if your post is following all of those or not. They will check if your post is suggestive of any kind of nudity, pornography, hate speech, self-harm like suicide, violence, selling of illegal goods, or bullying or harassment, or any kind of scam or fraud. So they're going to cross-check all these aspects and then only approve your promotion. So once it is approved, then your post is going to show up on others' account like a sponsored post. I'll show you one example. Okay, now see this Hotstar marketing platform, and you can see that sponsored written just below it. So this is a post which is a promoted post. Similarly, your post is going to show up like this on your friend's account, or friend's account, or anybody else's account. Just one time promotion is not going to help your account. You have to do it regularly till you build some 1,000 or 1,500 or 2,000 followers. So that is going to take a lot of money. Yes. Now you will ask, ma'am, what's the benefit of promotion if we are spending this much money and we are getting just little bit of followers? So what is the point of promoting? Now the benefits of promotion, I'll tell you. First and foremost benefit of promotion is that the followers which you get, they are loyal and they will stick to you forever and ever. They are not going to unfollow you later on. So the unfollowings are less. Least. You can say almost nil. And secondly is that when you do promotions, you don't have to actually struggle for other kind of tools like looping or follow for follow. So those are kind of headache, and you are saved from doing extra effort. So that is quick, just one click away. And if you can spend, I think this is the best tool for you to gain loyal followers and long time followers. Not everything works with everyone, so you have to choose things which works for you, which works for your condition, which works for your ability, effort, how much effort you can put into that. So choose very wisely. Hope you liked my video, and if you have any issues, you can direct message me on Instagram. My Instagram page is by the name of my child, Baby Agu, and I have shared the link also in the description below. And I'm ready to help you and guide you inch by inch, step by step. Don't forget to watch my other video which is on YouTube itself about how to grow your account organically, top mistakes which you should avoid if your account is hindered, shadow banned, or action blocked. And if you have any other issues, you can always DM me or write in comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, because that is going to help this video reach many more people, and many more people can benefit from this. Thank you. See you with my other video soon. Bye.